UGC NIT JRF exam, December 2015, History, Solved paper, paper 3. Note, this paper contains 75 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. Question number 1. Where have human fossils been found in situ with Paleolithic tools? A. Adirampakkam, B. Bibeka, C. Didwana, D. Hathnora. And the answer is option D. Hathnora. Question number 2. Which one of the following statements is not true about the Harappan civilization? A. It was the first urban civilization in South Asia. B. The Harappans were the first to use wheeled transport. C. The Harappans had brisk trade contacts with the people of Nile Valley. D. Harappa made objects have been found in South Turkmenistan. And the answer is option C. The Harappans had brisk trade contacts with the people of Nile Valley. Question number 3. Which of the following Vedic sacrifices were directly related to kingship? A. Aswamedha and Rajasuya. B. Aswamedha and Vajapeya. C. Aswamedha, Rajasuya and Vajapeya. D. Rajasuya and Vajapeya. And the answer is option C. Aswamedha, Rajasuya and Vajapeya. Question number 4. 3101 BC as the date of Mahabharata war is mentioned in which of the following inscriptions? A. Aihole inscription of Pulikezhin II. B. Junagadh inscription of Rudradaman. C. Badwa inscription of 238 AD. D. Nansa inscription of 226 AD. And the answer is option A. Aihole inscription of Pulikezhin II. Question number 5. Where did the Buddha deliver the maximum number of his sermons? A. Kushinagara. B. Sarnath. C. Shravasti. D. Vaishali. And the answer is option C. Shravasti. Question number 6. Who was the chief of Swami Mahavira's nuns order? A. Chandana. B. Kema. C. Sujata. D. Trishala. And the answer is option A. Chandana. 7. On the basis of his Kshatriya descent, who had claimed a share in the relics of Buddha? A. Ajatasattu. B. Chetaka. C. Prasenjit. D. Vidudhaba. And the answer is option A. Ajatasattu. Question number 8. Consider the following foreign authors. 1. Cassius. 2. Megasthenes. 3. Pliny. 4. Ptolemy. And the correct chronological sequence of the above author is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 9. Which of the following Sangam authors has mentioned about the hoarded wealth of the Nanda rulers? A. Appayar. B. Mamulanar. C. Paranar. D. Satanar. And the answer is option B. Mamulanar. Question number 10. According to the Kautilya Arthashastra, who among the following was responsible for issuing coins? A. Akshapatalayaksha. B. Lakshanadayaksha. C. Panyadayaksha. D. Sauvarnika. And the answer is option B. Lakshanadayaksha. 11. Which inscription of Ashoka refers to his paternal conception of king's duty? A. Minor Rock Edict 2. B. Pillar Edict 7. C. Rock Edict 12. D. Separate Kalinga Edict 1. And the answer is option D. Separate Kalinga Edict 1. 12. Snana was another name of which ancient Indian Samsakara? A. Shudakarma. B. Kesanta. C. Mounzibandhana. D. Samavarthana. And the answer is option D. Samavarthana. 13. The ancient port of Kaveri Pattanam was known to the authors of the Sangam age as A. Kodungulur. B. Nelakinda. C. Pudukke. D. Puhar. And the answer is option D. Puhar. 14. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 1 text, list 2 author. Kural Thiruvalluvar, Tirumurai, Nambi Andar Nambi, Silapadiharam, Ilango Adigal, Manimegalai, Satanar. 15. The Elephanta caves contain A. Shaiva images, B. Vaishnava images, C. Buddhist images, D. All the images. And the answer is option A. Shaiva images. 16. Who among the following kings was born in the military camp during his father's campaigns? A. Pala king Dharmapala. B. Pratihara king Nahabhata. C. Paramara King Bhoja. D. Rashtrakuta King Amogha Varsha 1. And the answer is option D. Rashtrakuta King Amogha Varsha 1. 17. Which Arab traveller is said to have visited India during the reign of Pratihara King Mihira Bhoja? A. Al-Biruni, B. Al-Masudi, C. Ibn Battuta, D. Sulaiman. And the answer is option D. Sulaiman. 18. The distinctive symbol on the coins of Kalchuri King Gangadeva is A. Bull, B. Elephant, C. Lakshmi, D. Vishnu. And the answer is option C. Lakshmi. 19. Famous cave temples of the Chalukyan period are known from which of the following? A. Badami, B. Kanchipuram, C. Manyaketa, D. Pattadakkal. And the answer is option A. Badami. 20. Arrange the following astronomers in the chronological order. 4. Varahamihira, 3. Brahmagupta, 2. Bhoja, and 1. Bhaskaracharya. 21. Dramatist Bhavabhuti is given the credit of writing which of the following works? 1. Mahavira 2. Malati Madhava, 3. Ramacharita, 4. Uttara Ramacharita. And the answer is option C 1, 2 and 4. 22. The dance poses Karanas described in the Natya Shastra are depicted in which of the following temple? A. Chidambaram temple, B. Pragadishwara temple, C. Kailasanatha temple of Tanjavur, D. Nathamalai temple. And the answer is option B. Brihadishwara temple. 23. Which among the following pairs is not correctly matched? Philosophical system founder Nyaya Gautama, Purva Mimansa Jaimini, Uttara Mimansa, Badarayana, Vaisheshika, Kannada. All the pairs are correctly matched. 24. The culmination of the Pandyan style of temple lies in the temple complex at A. Kanchi, B. Srirangam, C. Tanjavur, D. Vellur. The answer is option B. Srirangam. 25. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Veera Saiva sect turned into a radical movement against the caste system and Brahmana orthodoxy. Reason R. Its founder Basaveshwara was himself a non-Brahmana. And the answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 26. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the quotes given below the list. List 1 author, list 2 source. Vachaspati, Vivada Chintamani, Raghunandana, Smriti Tathava, Kamalakara, Nirnaya Sindhu, Mitra Mishra, Birmitrodaya. 27. As Kish Khan and Malka-i-Jahan were devoting themselves to interminable feasts and celebrations and did not care about his nursing and treatment, the Sultan attributed his illness to their negligence and his heart was deeply alienated from them. Identify the source and the name of the Sultan referred to in the above statement. Source, name of the Sultan, Tariq-i Firuz Shahi Balban, Tariq-i Firishta Alauddin Khalji, Tariq-i Mubarak Shahi Mubarak Khalji, Tughlaqnama Ghiyazuddin Tughlaq. And the answer is option B, Tariq-i Firishta Alauddin Khalji. 28. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Author, source. A. Faqad-i Mudhabir, Adabul Harb wa Shujat. B. Muhammad Kabir, Afsana-i-Shahan. C. Ziauddin Barani, Fatawa-i Jahandari. D. Sadiduddin Muhammadafi, Khazain-ul Futuh. And the answer is option D. Sadiduddin Muhammad Afi, Khazainul Futuh. 29. These mischievous people never pay money from their own coffers. They take money by force from the weak and indignant peasants who lived under them. Who is reputed to have said this? A. Alauddin Khalji, B. Farid, the later Sher Shah, C. Muhammad Tughlaq, D. Feroz Tughlaq, and the answer is option B. Farid, the later Sher Shah. 30. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose correct answer from the quotes given below. Amir-e-Hazim, Chief Chamberlain. Mir-e-Arz, in charge of the army at the center. Mushrif, accountant. Barid, intelligence officer. 31. The Vijayanagara state boasted of being the protector of Hindu Varnas Rama Dharma against Islam, yet its primary enemies were Hindu chiefs and kings, and the city accommodated within itself a Turuksha, Turukha quarter, a mosque, and Muslim tomb. It was in many ways more like a Muslim capital than the Hindu one in its monumental architecture and in its Muslim solitary and also in its urbanity. Who, whose quote is this? A. K. A. Nilakanta Shastri, B. Bertrand Stein, C. A. Krishna Swami, D. Irfan Habib. And the answer is option B. Bertrand Stein. 22. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Timu had to ensure the safety of his communications from Kabul through the territory of the Afghans by the building of forts and the punishment of the tribes. Reason are the massacre and destruction of two Afghan tribes referred to as Purnian and Kalatian in the Ishwar Timurid style created an atmosphere of terror for the security of the groups. The context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 33. Which of the following is not correct? A. According to Chaitanya, worship consisted of love and devotion, and song and dance, which produced a state of ecstasy in which the presence of God, Hari, could be realized. B. Abdul Wahid Bilgrami Hapwai Hindi shows the impact of Bhakti songs of the Vaishnavite saints on the Sufis. C. Mahadevi Akka from Karnataka, Laleshwari from Kashmir, and Mirabai from Rajasthan seem to show that it was difficult to reconcile marriage with their inherent urge to love the Lord. D. Sheikh Nuruddin Rishi of Kashmir rejected local accretions and founded a Puritan movement. And the answer is option D. Sheikh Nuruddin Rishi of Kashmir rejected local accretions and founded a Puritan movement. 34. In 1568, Akbar issued the famous Fathnama of Chittor. Which of the following Persian work contains the full text of the Fathnama? A. Tabakati Akbari, B. Akbarnama, C. Muntakha ut Tawarik, D. Munshat-e-Namkin. And the answer is option D. Munshat-e-Namkin. 35. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the codes given below. List 1 contains the kingdom and the list 2 period of the domination. Nizam Shahi Kingdom, 1489 to 1636. Qutub Shahi Kingdom, 1512 to 1687. Adil Shahi Kingdom, 1489 to 1686. Maratha Kingdom, since the middle of the 17th century. 36. The chief Qazi, when moved with the imperial camp, was designated as A. Qasi-ul Wasat, B. Qasi Askar, C. Sardu Sudur, D. Wakil-e-Saharai. And the answer is option B. Qasi Askar. 37. Which of the following is not correct about village community? A. According to Bernier, the Indian peasantry was not an undifferentiated mass. B. The village community was rife with internal contradictions and some exploitation. C. The upper class peasants are known as Buddha caste in northern India, Karuhalas in Rajasthan, and Mirasdars in Maharashtra. D. The menial population formed a reserve to be called upon to work in the fields during harvest. They were also subjected to forced labor. The answer is option A. According to Bernier, the Indian peasantry was not an undifferentiated mass. 30. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason or assertion A. In 1574, Akbar fused the nobility, bureaucracy, and military into a single service, the assigning to each officer a mansab to indicate the holder's status, salary, and sense of military convention. Reason are practically all officers in government except the very petty of the purely religious were filled by holders of mansabs. Promotions and demotions were henceforth made in terms of additions or reductions of mansabs. The context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? The answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 39. All are correct except A. Fatehpur Sikri is a skillful combination of accurate and chabiate forms. Arcuate and chabiate forms. The red sandstone is the principal material used for the construction of Agra Fort and the city of Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri was planned after Akbar's religious ideas had received their final form. The Akbar's own mausoleum at Sikandra was completed under his son Jahangir. The answer is option C. Fatehpur Sikri was planned after Akbar's religious ideas had received the final form. 40. Of the following which is said to be Persian in inscription and Indian in execution? A. Sher Shah stone, B. Humayun stone, C. Islam Shah stone, D. Purana Kulla. And the answer is option D. Humayun stone. 41. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Muroka Darshan, beginning of one's day with a glimpse of the emperor, symbolizes transference of divine benediction. The reason are Darshaniya Sikh was so called because they began the day with a glimpse darshan of the emperor. The context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? Option B. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 42. In regard of painting, which of the following statements is not correct? A. Muslim attitudes towards painting are far less strict than towards sculpture. B. A tradition of wall painting, especially in private buildings, already existed among Muslims outside India. C. The miniature painting, which the Mughal emperors patronized and promoted, was in the beginning a branch of Persian painting with its emphasis on line, precision of detail, and deliberate eschewing of perspective. The famous painters Abdul Samad and D. Sayyid Ali came to India from Kabul with Akbar, and the answer is option D. Famous painters Abdul Samad and D. Sayyid Ali came to India from Kabul with Akbar. 43. Regarding Taimur's invasions, which of the following statement is not correct? A. Taimur's exports built a pontoon bridge across the Indus, which was crossed on 21 September 1398. B. In city of Talmi, 35 Varshaks from Multan, Hindus and Muslims both resisted Taimur. C. The Mukaddams and Reis of the South Prime Kogi Judi helped Taimur to cross the territory and obtain his favors. D. In trying to justify Taimur's Indian invasion, Sharfuddin Ali SD states that the central government of Delhi, though in Muslim hands, was weak. The answer is option B. In city of Kalmi, 35 Varshaks from Multan, Hindu and Muslims both resisted Taimur. 44. Watan Jagir was a generic term. Its revenues were part of the A. Palisa revenue, the revenues of Faibaki land, C. Salary of the Watan Jagir holder, the additional income of the Watan holders. And the answer is option C. Salary of the Watan Jagir holder. 45. Irfan Habib rejects Kingsley Davis' assumption and that the population of Mughal India remained fixed at 125 million from 1600 to 1750, saying that A. Kingsley has perhaps been led away by his own enthusiasm for the benefits of British rule. B. He ascribes excessively high productivity per acre to Akbar's time. See, he made no distinction between his Zabdi provinces and the others. D. All of the above. And the answer is option A. Kingsley has perhaps been led away by his own enthusiasm for the benefits of British rule. 46. The following are correct except A. Among the first literary works in the court of Akbar was the preparation of a Persian translation of his grandfather's Babur Nama. B. Babur Nama was translated by Abdul Rahim Khan Kani Khan, the son of Bayram Khan, who had been a poet of Turkish. C. Hindawi was recognized as a semi-official language by the Sultans 1540 to 55. The practice is said to have been introduced by the Lodi Sultans. Most of the Afghans, Babar tells us, could not speak Persian. D. Sheikh Yaqub Sharfi was one of those great Persian luminaries of Akbar's court who had come from Iran and settled in India. The answer is option D. Sheikh Yaqub Sharfi was one of those great Persian luminaries of Akbar's court who had come from Iran and settled in India. 47. The 18th century is rich in production of provincial histories. Match the following Persian text with the region they focused. Persian text and region. Kush. Kulasat al-Thawarik, Bengal and Odisha. Mirat ul Hakikat, Gujarat, Delhi, Agra. Riyasat al-Salatin, Bengal, Bihar, Odisha. Tufat al-Kiram, Sindh. 48. Gulbadan Begum led a Hajj delegation to Mecca and stayed there for 2.5 years before returning in 1582. Which of the following royal women was not part of the delegation? A. Hamida Banu Begum, B. Salima Sultan Begum, C. Gulnar Aha, D. Kulsum Khanum. And the answer is option E. Hamida Banu Begum. 49. Consider the following statements about Bhakti movement. 1. Ramananda in his Ananda Bhashya did not 49. Consider the following statements about Bhakti movement. 1. Ramananda in his Ananda Bhashya did not recognize the right of a Sudra to read the Vedas. 2. Gyaneshwar's Bhavartha Deepika Gyaneshwari is a Marathi commentary on Bhagavad Gita. 3. Chaitanya's disciple Chandidas in his Chaitanya Bhagavat mentions how Chaitanya socializes with the lower caste. 4. Kabir is called a Firausi Sufi in a 17th century Sufi account, Mirat ul Asrar. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Answer is option C, 1, 2 and 4. 50. Below are the two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other as reason R. Assertion A. There were many reasons for avoiding technological innovation or any form of mechanization of Indian manufactures in medieval India. Reason R. As any innovation implied a measure of risk and some investment of capital, the Indian workman living on the margin of subsistence had hardly any means to undertake it. In such a situation, only a limited technological innovation initiated by the state or by the profit-seeking merchant could be expected. And the answer is option A. A is correct, but R partially explains A. 51. Which Baptist missionary got converted to the Unitarian principles of Rajaram Mohan Rai and founded Unitarian mission along with Rajaram Mohan Rai? A. John Wilson, B. William Adam, C. William Wilberforce, D. Charles Grant. And the answer is option B. William Adam. 52. Which of the following statements is not correct in respect of James Mill, the imperialist historiographer? A. Mill was one of the leading utilitarians of his time. B. While writing the history of British India, he depended more on travelers' reports. C. He advocated that Indian culture was static and its transformation lay in the infusion of Western ideas. D. He accepted the view expressed by William Jones and other Orientalists on ancient Indian culture. And the answer is option D. He accepted the view expressed by William Jones and other Orientalists on ancient Indian culture. 53. Who among the following Muslim scholars and reformers did not support orthodoxy? A. Shah Wali Ullah, B. Haji Sariyat Ullah, C. Jamaluddin al-Afghani, D. Vikhar ul Mulk. And the answer is option D. Vikarul Mulk. 54. Who among the following Europeans did not become the president of the Indian National Congress? A. A.O. Hume, B. George Yule, C. William Wedderburn, D. Henry Cotton. And the answer is option A. A.O. Hume. 55. Identify the organization which carried out socio-religious reforms that did not concern with women uplift. A. Deva Samaj, B. Madras Hindu Association, C. Pune Seva Southern, D. Indian Reform Association. The answer is option A. Deva Samaj. 56. Who started a monthly periodical called the Raqibul Akhlaq in Urdu. A. Badruddin Tyabji. B. Rahmatullah Muhammad Sayani. C. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. D. Sir Muhammad Iqbal. And the answer is option C. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. 57. Who among the following were appointed as members of the Indian Council in England in 1909? A. S.P. Sinha and Surendranath Banerjee. B. K.G. Gupta and Syed Hossain Bilgrami. C. Sir Ganga Singh and Agha Khan. D. C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer and Ali Imam. And the answer is option B. K.G. Gupta and Syed Hossain Bilgrami. 58. Which of the following princely states given in past were the first to establish universities in their state? A. Travancore and Baroda. B. Jaipur and Patiala. C. Mysore and Hyderabad. D. Bhopal and Kashmir. And the answer is option C. Mysore and Hyderabad. 59. Identify the person who was not a nationalist painter. A. Michael Madhusudan Dutt. B. Raja Ravi Verma. C. Abhinindranath Tagore. D. Nandlal Bose. And the answer is option A. Michael Madhusudan Dutt. 60. The decision of partition of Bengal was implemented on which of the following date? A. 18th August 1905. B. 16th August 19 October 1905. C. 10th November 1905. D. 5th December 1905. The answer is option B. 16th October 1905. 61. Which of the following is correct relating to the Swarajist entry into the legislature? A. To use it for the gradual transformation of Indian society. B. To use it as the training institution for Indians. C. To use it as a proper forum on which the struggle for the overthrow of colonial state was to be carried out. D. To cooperate with the colonial state. And the answer is option C. To use it as a proper forum on which the struggle for the overthrow of colonial state was to be carried out. 62. Who among the following did not attend on all parties conference convened under Motilal Nehru's presidency? A. M.R. Jayakar. B. Sardar Mangal Singh. C. Sir Ali Imam. D. Muhammad Shafi. And the answer is option D. Muhammad Shafi. 63. When did Edwin Montague make historic declaration outlining British policy of increasing association of Indians in every branch of administration? A. 17 July 1917. B. 20 August 1917. C. 25 August 1917. D. 29 August 1917. And the answer is option B. 20 August 1917. 64. Which one of the following is not a correct statement regarding the Irving Gandhi Pact? A. To release all political prisoners including those convicted for violence. B. The government agreed for remission of all fines not yet collected. C. To show lenient treatment towards those government employees who had resigned. D. The government conceded the right to make salt for consumption of villages along the coast. The answer is option A. To release all political prisoners including those convicted for violence. 65. Given below are the two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Prominent leaders of Indian National Congress did not like the idea of independent status for the princely states. Reason R. It was believed that their existence as independent states would in no way affect India's transition into a progressive nation. The context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? The answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 66. During the civil disobedience movement, where did Sarojini Naidu lead the Satyagrahis to raid the salt depot? A. Dandi. B. Vadhala. C. Sanikatha. D. Darshana. And the answer is option D. Darasana. 67. Which Indian princely state was the first to sign the instrument of accession to the Indian Union? A. Patiala. B. Baroda. C. Bikaner. D. Udaipur. And the answer is option C. Bikaner. 68. Which of the following was not a valid criticism of the working of diarchy? A. Faulty division of subjects at the provincial level. C. B. Lack of ministerial collective responsibility. C. Paucity of finance for the transferred subject. D. The newly appointed ministers were inexperienced and incompetent. The answer is option D. The newly appointed ministers were inexperienced and incompetent. 69. The largest earthquake ever to be measured on the economic historian's Richard scale refers to A. The open door. B. The New Deal. C. The Great Depression. D. None of the above. The answer is option C. The Great Depression. 70. Match the historians mentioned in the list 1 with the school of history given in the list 2. Select the correct code given below. R. Palme Dutt, Marxist. Ranjit Guha, Subaltern. W. Hunter, imperialist. B. D. Basu, nationalist. 71. In which context the term paramountcy was used? A. To describe the relationship between the British crown and the Indian princes. B. To describe the nature of confederacy of the Indian princes. C. To describe the newly conquered territory by the British crown. D. To recognize the independent status of Indian princely states. And the answer is option A. To describe the relationship between the British crown and the Indian princes. 72. From where the concept of directive principles of state policy borrowed into the Indian Constitution? A. Irish Constitution, the French Constitution, the British Constitution, the American Constitution. The answer is option A. Irish Constitution. 73. Jacques Derrida's method of deconstruction finds primarily theorized in A. Of grammatology, B. Speech and phenomena, C. Writing and difference, D. None of the above. And the answer is option E. Of grammatology. 74. Identify from among the following who is not a postmodernist critic. A. Jacques Lacan, B. Hayden White, C. Michael Foucault, D. Jacques Derrida. And the answer is option B. Hayden White. 75. Which of the following statements is not correct concerning D. Kosabi's approach to history writing? A. His writings reflect a methodology that combined historical inquiry with sociology, anthropology, and archaeology. B. He accepted over precise and misleading periodization of Indian history. C. He dismissed dynastic tables and epigraphs of conquest. D. He was more interested in modes of production and forms of social organization. And the answer is option B. He accepted over precise and misleading periodization of Indian history.